Hello everyone, it's WebTech Guide once again, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a WordPress website for demo. Whether you want to test a code, whether you want to test a theme or a plugin. I don't want to test it on your real website. Now this website can actually create a disposable WordPress website that you can use to practice, to install demo themes or plugins that you created and you want to give it a try. To get started, go to instawp.com, and this website is where you can create WordPress website free and easy. You don't need a domain name, you don't need a hosting to get started. Everything is provided for free, but there's a premium plan. You can check their pricing, but if you just need this to create a disposable website or website to showcase anyone, you can just create this. You can see their pricing. There's a free plan, there's a personal, there's a professional, and there's the agency plan. So to get started, click on try for free. So you can either launch a website instantly, like immediately, that you can create it within 1 minute, or you can create an account for the website. So for me, I'm just going to create an account, and then this is where you can sign up. You can either sign up using your email address, or you can sign up using either a Twitter account, a Google account, or a Facebook account. So let me just sign up using my my Google account. So now that you have created an account, the next thing is that we are going to create a new site. To create a new WordPress website, it is very easy. Just click on new site. You can either create it from scratch or from template. You can create a template or from a store, but this is not available yet, so this is still coming soon. And so to create it from scratch, you will be asked to select some plugins that you will need to install, though these are optional. You can choose to install it, you can choose not to install it. So to install this, the first one right here is to choose a security plugin. Let me just choose the Jetpack. Then for the speed, I'm going to go with the WP Optimize. For the forms, I'm going to use the contact form 7, and the backups, I'm going to use the Updraft Plus. And then for the page builder, I am going to use the Elementor. And then for the SEO, I'm going to go with the Yoast SEO. And for the marketing, I'm not sure I need that for now. So let me click on create site. So if you have selected the plugins that you want to create, so you can see that these are 6 plugins in total, and then you will be asked to enter your site name. Let me just enter WebTech Guide. Then once you are done, create site, click on create site. Now this will be created in less than a minute. Just wait for the installation to finish. You can see that this particular website will expire in the next 7 days, 6 days and 23 hours. So that is why it is called a disposable WordPress website. You can create it for a temporary project or anything temporary. You can't use it for a permanent project. But if you need a WordPress website for a permanent project, but you don't have the money to purchase a hosting or a domain name, you can watch the video that will be displayed at the end of this video. So preview your website, click here. So this right here is your website URL, and if you want to log in, and this is the username and this is the password, or you can click on the magic login. Now these credentials will be sent to your mail immediately after you have created a free WordPress website. Now it works just like the normal WordPress website. There are no exceptions to it, so you can log in by creating this magic login. Alright, so you can see that all the plugins that we installed, they are already here, and you can preview all the plugins that we installed. Alright, so this works just like a normal WordPress website, and you can use it to do your temporary project. And if this video has helped you, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this. Thank you.